You're looking at a 2023 Kia Niro Hybrid. The 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 9,000 miles. Car comes loaded up, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, blind spot monitors, cruise control, dual zone climate control. Gets excellent gas mileage. Blind spot monitors, I think I just said that. Gray exterior, cloth interior. Backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, USB, USB-C. Automatic transmission. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, adjustable drive modes. Exact mileage is 9811. Stability control. Just a nice clean car. Absolutely no stories. This is a hybrid, so no need to plug it in. Just drive it like a regular gas car. Change oil every 5,000 miles and you'll be good. Still under full factory warranty. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.